Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this RYOBI 18 volt 1 plus vortex telescoping power scrubber. So you do have to put a battery in here. This is the tool only. You're going to put the battery right here. It takes the 18 volt. Make sure you put this cover on. This is going to help keep it waterproof. Now there's three things I love about this. I love that it's waterproof. I love that I can extend it. And I love that I can take the head off right here. This is where you're going to take it off. It's real easy. You're just going to hold this little collar, put the triangle on, rotate it till it kind of clicks into place. It's got a nice handle. I'm going to turn it on and off with a switch right here. And now I can extend it. And I can also adjust the angle. I can go all the way up to a 90 degree like that. That's pretty nice. I can move this handle by just loosening the screw up or down. That's about the right height for me. Let's go see how it's going to help clean my house, get spider webs off of it. It does give me 51 inches from here to there of extension. All right. I like the handle. I can really get a good grip. I can really press, scrub really good. Now if I need to go up high, let me collapse it a little bit. Now I'm down low. Now I can scrub low. If I have to extend it a little bit more, now I can get right down there, scrub these windows, get all these spider webs off. And the good thing about this is, if I was washing my house, I can get this wet. It is waterproof. Press the button again to turn it off. It's just a really nice power scrubber. It's not super light, it's not super heavy, it's sort of lightweight, well balanced. Got a nice small grip here, and it's got some grippy material on it, so it's not gonna come loose if you're getting it wet or something. So this is just a really nice power scrubber. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching. So I do Amazon live streams. I have an Amazon storefront where most of the products that I review, you can purchase them off of Amazon. I do get a small commission from the sale if you do end up purchasing with my link underneath the video, but the product won't cost you anymore. It is a way of helping support my channel. That way I can buy these products with my own money and give you my honest review. And I'm really starting to do a lot of live streams on Amazon. So I'll pick some products that I recommend, I purchase with my own money, and I'll tell you about them, and then you can purchase them right there on Amazon. But these are products I recommend that I think do really, really good. So right now I'm getting set up to do, this is my Father's Day live stream on Amazon's coming really soon. So these are, I had to go around my house and grab all the products that I use. And so these are just proven products that are for sale on Amazon that I think your dad would absolutely love because I love them and I use them all the time. So that's kind of the perspective I'm going to come at with my Amazon live streams, are products I love and recommend. I'm also going to start getting into the Echo devices and Fire TVs, so look for a lot of videos coming out on these. These will be on my other channel, Just a Dad Videos Tips. So thanks everybody for watching. I love what I do. I love that I buy these products with my own money. I can say anything I want about them. I want to be as honest as I can with you about these reviews and everything. Contacting customer support now is a big deal, and I'm going to let you know how that goes. So I really do appreciate everybody's support. If you could follow me over on Instagram, I really would appreciate it. And this I just got. This is the RYOBI S1 Pro Mach. Now the Mach name's going away, but I'm going to be doing full reviews, comparison. This is a mopping robot, and it vacuums also, but it is so cool. It was on a Kickstarter program. I think it's going to be released really soon. So look for videos coming out on this really, really soon. I also just got the Ecovacs D-Bot T30S. Now I was not a big fan of the D-Bot or the X2 or whatever, but I went ahead and got this just to see how it's going to do. So I bought it with my own money, and I'll give you my honest review on it. And I also bought this RYOBI S1 Pro with my own money. It was a Kickstarter program. I paid $1,200 for it. I think it might retail for $1,500, but anyway, hey, so far this thing has been amazing. But it's way too early to I'm going to do a review on it here in a little while. And be sure and check out my other videos. I had to retire the RYOBI X10 Pro Omni. Nothing wrong with it. It does a great job. but I've got other robots. I moved the Roborock S8 Max V upstairs and the Dyson. That's the Roborock Q Revo Max V, Dream X30, Dream X40. Got comparisons with all of these setup videos, how-tos. There's the Dream L20, got some Roombas, brand new Crosswave from Bissell, brand new Tinico lathe for the Stretch, and the S7. They've got flash dry now, so they dry their mop pads. There's the old Bissell Hydro Steam, the brand new Sharks. They're just rebrands of the old ones. They're calling them Mess Masters, but there's nothing different. Dream, more Roborock, lots of Shark robot vacuum cleaners here. I even reviewed the $99 Dirt Devil. It's not too bad. It's got LiDAR navigation from Walmart. Right now, my favorite vacuum is the Dyson 360 Nav. They updated it twice. It's got the little door open. I wish we could see that, but there's a little side door that comes out right next to the wall. This is my absolute favorite robot. I did an updated review on it. I paid for it with my own money, and originally it was really expensive, but they've updated the firmware and now it is amazing. Be sure to check out my next video. Is uh-oh, Houston, we have a problem. The Roborock S8 Max V, which I brought upstairs to use as a daily driver mopping, it has a problem. The LiDAR sensor has failed. I've had to contact Roborock, and I'm gonna keep you updated on that status. I'm approaching it from a consumer standpoint. Like, I bought it with my own money, but I don't want to tell them who I am. I want to see how their customer service does. And I paid a lot of money for that. That way I want this fixed now. So we're gonna see how it does. So far, not so good. It's just been a lot of work on my part. So I'm anxious to see how that goes. Again, if you could, please like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching, and check me out on Instagram. I really would appreciate a follow on Instagram. Thanks for watching.